In this lesson, we will explore ERP systems and integration, a critical component of modern inventory and supply chain management. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, a comprehensive software system that integrates all core business functions into a unified platform. For inventory control professionals, understanding ERP systems is essential for ensuring seamless data flow, visibility, and decision-making across the organization. An ERP system connects departments such as finance, procurement, production, sales, logistics, and human resources within one centralized database. Instead of operating through separate, disconnected systems, an ERP allows data to be entered once and shared in real time across all functions. This eliminates duplication, reduces errors, and enhances collaboration throughout the company. In the context of inventory management, ERP systems serve as the digital backbone that synchronizes inventory data with purchasing, production, and sales processes. When a customer places an order, the ERP automatically updates stock levels, generates purchase or production orders if necessary, and adjusts financial records simultaneously. This real-time integration ensures that everyone, from warehouse staff to financial controllers, has access to accurate, up-to-date information. The benefits of ERP integration extend beyond efficiency. It enables better decision-making through analytics and reporting. Managers can monitor key metrics such as inventory turnover, lead times, and order accuracy through customizable dashboards. These insights help identify trends, forecast demand more accurately, and optimize inventory levels to balance cost and service performance. Integration is at the heart of ERP systems. Modern ERP platforms connect seamlessly with other business applications, including warehouse management systems, WMS, transportation management systems, TMS, and customer relationship management, CRM tools. This interconnectivity allows for smooth data exchange across the entire supply chain, creating a single source of truth for all operations. For example, integrating ERP with a WMS ensures that stock movements recorded in the warehouse are instantly reflected in the ERP's inventory database. Likewise, connecting the ERP with a CRM allows sales teams to view product availability in real time before confirming orders. Integration with accounting and procurement modules ensures that purchasing decisions align with budget constraints and supplier agreements. ERP systems also improve traceability and compliance. Every transaction from procurement to delivery is recorded and auditable. This is especially important for industries like pharmaceuticals, food, and aerospace, where tracking materials and batches is essential for quality assurance and regulatory compliance. Implementing an ERP system requires careful planning and cross-departmental coordination. It involves mapping business processes, cleansing data, training employees, and customizing workflows to fit organizational needs. Although ERP implementation can be complex and resource-intensive, the long-term benefits, including improved visibility, faster communication, and reduced manual effort, far outweigh the challenges. Cloud-based ERP systems have revolutionized accessibility and scalability. Unlike traditional on-premise solutions, Cloud ERP allows employees to access real-time data from any location, making it ideal for global supply chains. It also simplifies updates, reduces IT maintenance costs, and enhances data security through centralized controls. Artificial intelligence and automation are further enhancing ERP capabilities. AI-driven forecasting tools analyze historical data and external variables to improve demand predictions. Automated alerts and workflows ensure timely actions such as reordering materials or addressing bottlenecks before they impact operations. In summary, ERP systems and integration provide the digital foundation for efficient and connected supply chain management. By linking all business functions into a unified ecosystem, ERP enhances visibility, accuracy, and collaboration. For inventory control professionals, mastering ERP integration means achieving higher efficiency, lower costs, and better informed decisions, all of which contribute to a more agile and competitive organization.